Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. Today we will be looking at using the tilde operator. What this operator does, it complements the register. Essentially what we'll be seeing is we'll load a value into port C, and then we'll use the operator and the value will be inverted. The operator looks like this one here. You can normally find it above your hash key, and you can call it the bitwise complement. So we've got a PIC18F45K20, 20 MHz crystal, two 18 picofarad capacitors. We're using port C with a green bar graph LED. We're using 8 segments of this 10 segment display. We've got a 15 ohm resistor network to limit the current. On pin RE3, which is the master clear pin, we've got that pulled up to VDD, which is 3.3 volts. And that's our schematic. Just to show you how to set up the project, go to File, New Project, Microchip Embedded, Application Project, click Next. The device is PIC18F45K20. Click Next. We're using XC8 version 2.46. You can call the project whatever you like. I'll call it T5. Click Finish. Just make sure these are checked as well and that you know where you're saving a project. So now we've got our project loading. So just wait for MCC code configurator to load up. So if you want to go for classic content, click here, click Next. So we want to go to the system module first. We want to set up our external crystal circuit. So we go to oscillator select, HS oscillator, system clock select FFSC, that's fine, external clock 20 MHz. That's what you need to do in this section. We also need to configure our pins on port C as outputs. So we go to pin manager grid view. Go to the pin module, GPIO output, get to port C, and then just activate all the locks. So you can see that's been reflected here. And that's all you need to do in the MCC code configurator. Just click generate and give it a couple of moments. So generation complete. So we can now exit out of this. So this is our default code layout. I'm now going to copy in my pre-made code. And we can have a quick look. So we've got a void main here, initializing the system. We're loading lat_c with a value 0x55. We then enter this while one loop where we are complementing lat_c and then loading that complemented value back into lat_c, and then we've got the delay here. So let's have a look in the simulation. So essentially what's happening is, if you compare, you can see the tilde operator is complementing the values. Yeah, so that's a short little video for today. Hope you found it useful. Source code and files can be found down below. Until the next time, goodbye.